Ibon, my dear children, welcome all of you to my YouTube channel. So, dear children, I hope you do remember about what we did learn on the last video. We did learn about knowns and unknowns, and we did write some algebraic symbols to show unknowns. Now, today we are going to learn about variables. So, what does this word means? Variables. Now, if you imagine income of a shop in your area, it may differ every day. I mean, the daily income of a shop in your area, what would happen? Is that the same thing that the shop owns? Shop earns. Now you know that it changes every day. The income of a shop, it changes every day. If something changes like that, then that is known as an unknown. Therefore, and it is, as it is changing, it is known as a variable. So my dear children, keep this in your mind. If something is unknown and it changes, it is known as variables. Now, to practice this, let us come to exercise 18.2. Exercise 18.2. Now look at the first question. In that question they say that write down whether each of the following is a constant value or a variable. Then for the first one, they say that the number of players in a netball team. The number of players in a netball team. So you know that it should be a constant value, therefore we can write it as constant. Then for Roman number 2, they ask that the number of bananas in the first comb of a cluster of bananas. Now it may change for cluster of bananas in several cluster of bananas, then it may change. So we can say that that is as a variable. For Roman number 3, they say that the time taken for a jet to travel from the Katunayake International Airport to the New Delhi Airport. The time taken for a jet to travel from the Katunayake Airport to New Delhi Airport. So you know that it may change. It may change every time according to the weather condition and some conditions. So therefore, we can say that that thing as a variable. Then for Roman number 4, they ask that the number of sides of a square. You know that thing definitely, therefore we can write it as a constant. Then what about question number 5? They say that the number of centimeters in a meter. The number of centimeters in a meter, you know that thing as 100 centimeters in 1 meter. Therefore, we can write it as a constant. Then, for Roman number 6, they say that the number of limes in 1 kilogram of limes. The number of limes in 1 kilogram of limes. So you know that it may change the number of limes in 1 kilogram. If they are big, then there will be a less amount. If they are small, then there will be more amount. Therefore, we do not know the exact amount. Therefore, we can say that that is as a variable. And to represent variable also we can use algebraic symbols. Now you know what algebraic symbols mean. We can use any simple letter of the English alphabet to show these if they are unknown. So therefore, my dear children, I hope all of you did understand about this lesson very much. Therefore, let us meet with you any interesting lesson like this, I bow all of you.